In this episode, I shall explain you about the chapter 12, application of integrals from class 12th. For finding the area of a figure, what formula will be used in integral form? Let us suppose this is a Cartesian plane. This is a curve y equal to fx. This is a curve y equal to fx. How would you find the area of this figure? For finding the area of this figure, we shall bind the figure. Let us suppose this is bound by x equal to a and this is x equal to b. This area we have to find out. This area we have to find out. For this, we can assume as this is made of a strip. Strip means this is a strip. Its thickness is delta x. First of all, I shall find the area of this strip, and after finding the area of this strip, we shall integrate the whole figure from the limit x equal to a to x equal to b. Then we can find the area of this whole figure. For this, let us suppose this strip is situated at the point P. The coordinates of the point is x and y. Okay? We can assume it as a rectangle. If this length is infinitesimal distance, then we can assume it as a rectangle, and the area of the rectangle will be length into breadth. Then area of this strip is, let us suppose the area of this strip is delta A. Then area of this strip is length into breadth. Length is from here to here y. This distance is y. And the breadth is delta x, then delta x. We have found the area of this strip. After finding the area of this strip, we can calculate the area of a whole figure from the limit x equal to a to x equal to b by integrating. Then the area of this figure is a equal to x equal to a to x equal to b, and this y delta x can be written as y dx. This is the area of this whole figure. Let us suppose by an example. I can delete this. How to find the area of an ellipse? Area of an ellipse x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. We have to find the area of this ellipse. Let us suppose this ellipse is, the power of x is even, the figure is identical in about y axis, and the power of y is even to the figure, the shape of the figure is identical about x axis. If power x is even, the figure is identical about y axis, meaning that the shape of the figure is same about y axis, both the sides of y axis. The power is y, the power of y is 2. The shape of the figure is identical, is same about x-axis, meaning that the shape of the figure will be same in about x-axis. Therefore, this figure is the figure is same about x-axis. X-axis, the figure is same about y-axis. The figure is same about x-axis, meaning that the shape of the figure is same about x-axis. The shape of the figure is same about y-axis. The curve is y square. The curve can be written as y square upon b square equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. Y square equal to b square 1 minus, after simplifying, a square minus x square upon a square. Then y equal to b upon a under root a square minus x square. This is the curve. Let us suppose this point is a dash. The coordinate of the point A is a0. This is a major axis. The coordinate of the major axis is a0, minus a0. This can be written as minus a0. Now we are going to find the area. For finding the area, what should be procedure should be followed? Let us suppose this point is a strip, point P, X and Y. The thickness is delta X. Then the area of the strip will be delta equal to Y into delta X. Now we have to find the area of this whole figure. We have to find simply the area of only this figure and multiply by 4. We can find the area of the whole figure. For finding the area of the whole figure, we will find the area of this figure, only this figure, and this will be area A equal to from 0 x equal to 0 to x equal to a y dx and the area of whole figure will be equal to 4 into x equal to 0 to x equal to a y means b upon a under root a square minus x square dx. This dx will be here, this dx, and this y will be replaced by this value. Now we have to integrate this. For integration, 4 b upon a will come outside, and this x equal to 0 to x equal to a under root a square minus x square dx. 4b upon a. The formula of this integration will be under root a square minus x square dx equal to 1 upon 2 x under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x upon a. This is the formula, and this formula will be used in this integration. Then 4b upon a 1 upon 2 x under root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x upon a. 4b upon a, and this 2 means 2a. Limit will be x equal to 0 to x equal to a. Put this limit in place of x. If I put a, this term will become 0. This term will a square plus sin inverse a square sin inverse x upon a means 1. A square sin inverse x upon a means a upon a means 1. And after putting the lower limit, this lower limit 0, in place of x we will put 0. This term will become 0, and this term will also become 0. This whole term will be equal to this value. 4b upon 2a into a square sin inverse 1 will be pi upon 2. After solving this, 2 to 4, 2 to the 4, 4 will divide 4. B a square, a will divide a square. Then pi a b. The answer will be pi a b.